Another exciting day at RVE. We've just completed a Skoda Kodiaq with some enhancement, one of them being the exhaust enhancer. You can hear it throbbing away there, making the car sound very sporty. So I'll just show you inside the car. So this is wired into the canvas of the vehicle, so if I just hit the mode button there, it'll bring up on the dash the different modes. So it's just in comfort mode at the moment, so if I rev that, you can see what it's doing there. I'll just hit mode again. Normal changes the noise, go into sport mode, makes it more aggressive again. So it completely changes the way that you drive this vehicle and the way that it feels. So really nice vehicle, nicely appointed, sport seats, nice black headlining with a full sunroof there, nice sporty feel to it, and it's got some other really cool features as well, which I think are quite nifty today's day and age. This is like a see this here, it pops out when you open the door. It just stops that door damage at shops and that sort of thing, and all Skodas come with this, which I think is really cool. It's a pop-up umbrella, and that just slides away into the door panel there. So you're probably asking, what actually is a sound enhancer? Well, this is a really good example because this is fitted internally in the car rather than externally, because there's no room underneath the vehicle, and it is just plumbed through the floor of the vehicle. And why would you fit an exhaust enhancer? Well, these days the emission standards are so tight that you can't have a large exhaust on a sports car anymore, so this is a good way of overcoming the fact that you can still have sound and can still certainly enjoy the thrill of that sound and acceleration gives you. You're looking at a late model European vehicle. Skoda's definitely a good choice to go and have a look at.